All right, YZ450 oil change. Undo that bolt right there. Looks a little silver, no biggie. You put in, I think it's 750 mLs. By the way, I already changed the filter the last time, so I'm not gonna change the filter on this one. Otherwise, it'll be right here. Undo those two 8mm bolts, pop it out, put a fresh one in. Do it every other time. You don't need to change the filter every single time. Reinstall your skid plate. I've got a trick for this. It keeps sliding down, so just stuff a rag in there and you'll get it to hold like that. Change your oil, guys. Keep your motor healthy. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.